So here we have a 2011 Kia Sportage. It's the 2 litre diesel engine with roughly 66,000 miles on the clock. As part of the service on this Sportage, I'm going to be changing the air filter element, which is inside this box here. So I'm going to attempt to change it with without taking the trunking off or disconnecting the plug. Hopefully I can just unclip it and lift it up. It looks like we've got 2 clips on the end here. Lift it up. You can see it's got 2 prongs on the back of the airbox. There's one on the other side identical to that just locate into a slot there, so when you drop it down you push it in, pull it out that way. Oh good, there's enough room to get this out. Yeah, it's a little bit black, a few insects and bits of grass in there. So as you can see, one new, one old air filter. You can see just how mucky the old one is now, quite sooty. These air filters for this particular engine, they're not the cheapest ones, it has to be said. I guess because there's quite a bit of plastic there, it's not just a paper element. You're looking around about 20-ish pounds at the time of this recording. So before I fit that, I always like to check in the airbox. As you can see, there's a little bit of debris in there. You can hoover that out, or if you've got an airline and you don't mind blowing it all around the workshop, you can do what I do and just give it a little blowout. That wasn't too bad. Sometimes you find bits of paper and leaves and all kinds of things in there, you can just lift them out with your hands. But now that that's clean, we'll go ahead and get the new one in. So clearly this will only fit in there up one way. It's got a rubber gasket around the edge of it to seal it. So now that's in, and you can see the 2 slots there that the pegs go into. Drop it down and clip them back on. That's it. That's quite a straightforward little job to do. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.